Hello, I'm constitutional attorney Katherine Henry. Today, we are discussing Friday's freedom fighting tools. So this week, if you weren't able to catch our full episode on Tuesday at noon on Rumble or Facebook, we were discussing abortion and the Constitution. Things brought up by the newest U.S. Supreme Court Justice and a new case filed by none other than Michigan's own Governor Gretchen Whitmer on the very topic of abortion. Just last week, mind you. So to anyone who wanted to follow up on any of that information, I wanted to give you some resources and tools so that you were able to do that. Maybe you want to use that information just to read up and have that knowledge and be able to have discussions, educated discussions about others. Or maybe you wanted to do something, get involved in some other way. Maybe you feel compelled to write an amicus brief or contact the prosecuting attorneys involved and see what their offices plan to do about this case. Even contact the governor's office or AG's office. They work for you. They work for we the people. So that is definitely something that you have the right to do. But like I said, you should probably have all the facts and information in front of you before you choose to do something like that. So if you look at the very first of the resources, the links that I have for you today, you will see that it is, all right, there you go. The very first resource is the complaint that Governor Whitmer filed in Oakland County Circuit Court just last week on this very topic of abortion and the Constitution. So you could see all the named parties. It's 13 different prosecutors from 13 different counties. And you can see what her claims are, and way down at the bottom, you will see her specific request for relief. You can also see the whole laundry list of attorneys that she has fighting this fight for her, those licensed in Michigan to practice law, as well as New York and Washington, D.C. The second link that I have for you is the Oakland County Case Explorer. You can actually use this to search cases in circuit or probate court. And you could search by a business name, a person's name, or a case number. If you go back, if you're looking for this particular case, this is the case number right here in the top. Apparently it is not showing. I thought before for sure it's been showing my mouse, but I guess not. I'm circling it for no reason whatsoever, but it is at the top there. And you could put that case number right into the spot on the form here that says case number, and you can click the I'm not a robot, hit search, or there's also advanced search options at the bottom. The third is the Oakland County Circuit Court e-filing system. It gives you information on how to subscribe to e-filing updates. It gives you general e-filing information. It gives information on getting set up. There's also all kinds of other documents and contact information and things like that for the court here. So again, it's just something that if you want to further investigate this issue, this topic, or specifically this case, it's information that you would need to have at hand. So those are this week's freedom fighting tools. I hope that you do find them helpful, even if you don't particularly have an interest in getting involved with the constitutionality of abortion topic. Read that complaint, that link number 1, because there's a lot of good freedom fighting things that Governor Whitmer puts in there herself. It's fabulous. You wouldn't believe it. It's going to blow your mind. So I'm constitutional attorney Katherine Henry, and this has been this week's episode of Friday's Freedom Fighting Tools. I look forward to having discussions with you on our other segments this week. And of course, please do join us next week on Tuesday at noon on our Rumble and Facebook channels for the next week's episode of Restore Freedom Weekly. Thanks, everyone.